In this video, I'm going to import my graphics into my game, and I'm going to put a basic platform on the page and put my character on the platform and set up his controls. Right. So to import graphics, I right-click on the screen, insert new object, sprite. Now, what you need to do is make sure you know where the folder is, or make sure you've downloaded your folder of graphics, because I'm not going to make a graphic in here. I'm going to go to this folder and I'm going to import directly from my class resources folder, and you can see there's an awful lot of resources here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the background, and there's a few graphics I need. So sky gradient, and I'm just going to close this. Rename it sky. Going to delete it off the. Going to insert a new object. Sprite. And I'm going to insert my hills. Going to insert it like this. And then I'm going to insert it in a different way so I can repeat it across the background of the page. So that's hills. I'm just going to leave it there and just get rid of the whole lot in a minute. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to import a sprite. I'm going to import a tiled background, because I want to be able to repeat patterns across my screen. It saves bandwidth. So tiled background. Click. Same way as a sprite. Get the same editor up. And I'm going to go to my hills and bring this in. Okay. So I'm going to rename this hills tiled. Make sure I know the gaps and spaces. All right. So when I click on this and drag it out, you can see here in my, it will tile the image. So as I drag it across the screen, I get a nice repeating pattern. Very handy. Delete that out. Delete that out. Okay, so I've got my sky, I've got my hills. I'm going to insert a star field now, and I might actually insert that as a tile background as well, just in case I want it to move as my players are moving. I've got stars, nice star field, and I'm going to delete that out. Rename it. Yep. Rename it stars. Good. And then I want some clouds which are going to be wispy across the sky. So insert new object, sprite, clouds PNG. Cool. And rename them clouds so I know what I've got. Delete it off the stage.